Hey, I feel good. And no name about yes, Anna. That day, me did the prameda. No, my man, Madam Lydia. Why are they like me?
What a wow!
What a wow! I won't believe
it. Say, when you are a say, obey a man for my say, what dear. Let me say, you will be the year. Now, so the
hello. Stand up. All hands up. Hands down. Put all your hands on your head. Let's put it on your shoulders. Now on your waist. Knee. Toe. Okay. How are you all? I'm also doing well. Okay, now let's do the professor clap. Ready, go. Professor, professor. Professor, professor. Professor, professor. Professor, professor. Okay, very good. Sit down. Okay, today we are coming to learn about sounds. Okay, we are going to learn about our sounds. Nathan, stop. So before we continue, let's sing our song. And to my arms, stand up. Ready, go. And to my arms, and to my arms, and to my arms, you're crossing me, Allah. Bring your butter, bring your bow. Bring your butter, bring your bow. Bring your butter, bring your ball to the park to play. To the park to play. We are clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. Clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. Co. See me play on my drum. Ready, go. See me play on my drum. Play it down with a lot of fun. See me play off all my drum. You have all done well. Sit down. Okay. Hello. Hello. Now close your eyes. Open your eyes. Okay. So after singing the song, after singing the song, what sound did you hear? What sound? Sound Ben, I would say. Very good. Yes. Bo. Very good. Yes. Cool. Very good. Are you sure you guys see? Oh, yes. Do. Okay. Also, you said you heard what? C. Also, what is the sound for letter C? Yes, letter C. What is the sound for letter C? Yes. Do it again. Also, Cool. So the sound is what? Cool. Okay. Now let's do the professor clap. Okay. Let's look on the card. There's a card behind me. Okay. Ta-da! What letter is this? If you know it, you raise your hand up. Letter A. Is he right? Good. Let's clap hands for him. Good show. Baba. Okay. Now what is the sound of letter A? Very good. You have done well. Now let's move to the next one. Ta-da! What letter? No. What letter is this? I want the letter name. The letter, yes. Letter B. Good. Now what is the sound of letter B? Yes. Do the action. How do we do bo? Bo. You understand? Yes. Stand up and do it. Good. Let's clap for us for Esther. Okay. Let's move on. Ta-da! What letter is this? Yes. Letter. Letter. Hey, you said letter. Are you sure? What the letter name? Yes. Letter S. Good. What is the sound of letter S? Let's do the action. Very good. Now that we are done with our letters and sounds, let's move on to spelling, okay? We are going to use our letter sounds to spell, okay? Are you ready? Are you ready? Sit down. Are you ready? Now get up. Hello. Hello. We are going to do as I do. Do as I do. Okay, so we are starting. We'll pass here. Ready, go. Do as I do. Do as I do. I can hear you. Do as I do. 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 Hello. Okay, stand there. What is this? Very good. Let's go. Do as I do. 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 Stand there. What is this? Hey, what is this? The whole class. Good. Clap hands for yourselves. Now sit down, sit down, sit down. Hello. Hello. Okay, so now let's look on the board. We have Esther. I'm coming. We'll do Zubaza, okay? We have what? Cat and fat on the board, okay? Okay. Now, someone should spell sat using the sounds, okay? Sat using the sounds. Yes. Sat. Very good. Let's clap hands for Esther. Okay, so I'm writing it on the board. Now someone should spell maths. Maths. Yes. Stand up and spell it. Maths. Very good. Let's give him the professor clap. Next word, hats. Hats. We are using the sounds. Hats. Yes. Spell it again. Hats. 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 Oh. Yes. Very good. I'm writing it too. Look on the board. The next word is no. Bats. Bats. Yes. Bats. Bats. No, bats. No, stop. Yes. Bats. Bats. Spell it. Bats. Oh, someone should help Dinah. Very good. Dinah, spell bats. You also say it's book. Okay, say book. Two. Bats. You have done what sin. Okay. Next time. So I'm writing battle.
Yes.
Good. Hello. Hello. The next word is tap. 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 Yes. Are you sure? Someone should help us. No, it's tap. Tap. No. Tap. Tap. Let's start. Try again. Tap. Masobelas. Tap. Yes. Spell it again. Tap. Tap. Good. Let's clap once for Esther. Hello. Hello. Let's spell it together. Tap. 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 Hey, say it after me, okay? Tap. 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 Two. Two. Pull. Tap. Okay. Memo baby. Tap. Hello. Stand up. What can you play? Oh, I can hear you. What can you play? I can play anything. Can you play a viola? Viola. Viola. Can you play a rampapa? Maintain. Rampapa. Can you play a tinini? Can you play a zumbaza? Zumbaza. Bye. Hello. Sit down. Clap hands for yourselves. Show.
And I tell you, that is how active the class is when you get to St. Andrew's Catholic, basic school inside Juaso. I promise you, say Obao, sir, preschool na. I was over Madam Lydia. Just but that is how it is. Asante-Akyem Watch and Juaso St. Andrew's Catholic Basic School now. Madam Bakwa say district ni mo dia obi ehun modern boy or bo na ye nenu be etwetwe nkomo na ye di kan ma na ye exhibition class kakra bi na wo hwese dem kra ne no madam ni se active na wo hwe ne ma ye koso a efe keke enti Asante-Akyem Watch de bia me ka che wo se ye de ne se ye be promote Asante-Akyem Asante ene Ghana ama wiase nyina hu de ye menim sɛ wo hwɛ kasafidie ye na wo free Juaso na wo free Asante-Akyem woni beje sɛ wo ma ne wo nananom wo fa asenem ne wo nuanom yenya madam a omo kyerɛ o ma de very active na ye hwɛ ye future leaders nso a omo ho fe o ma relax. This is a modern day classroom. Enti ye ne madam ebetena se ne abonkomo o pe baby papa adwodo ho atena awedi mu ayemunu ensa papa enoa ene backyard Juaso for a friend of glassing so free Juaso ko bogu no Presby Park no opposite abrosan fe omo na so yasene a ye de program fe say bro enti jebre mi twa me ho aba me ba ye be try enkomo no so enti o da so ehwe Asante-Akyem Watch me akwa baba dwumade so yesi krom se ye bon komo na Asante-Akyem nyina no bia na obi e kan say ye mra St Andrews na ye mehwe de ekoso madam bia wasiesie ne classroom amana fe Madam Lydia enti ene ye won classroom wo hu de nkwala na ye mi say activity we there e was ye sheda nya bi Olympic games e bi defense 10 enti abusiafo ene me ne Madam Lydia na e bebo Madam Lydia akwa baba Asante-Akyem Watch
ye ja
enti ane wo ma brewa da o enti aduma da bi activity say ya yenko yemra sa
activity say ya da bi say ya next year.
Wow. Ane nke o se mo pay there o se nke yese nyamiti o.
Ba da bi an say ya say ya ketia de wo soro.
Na ene me problem am go heaven some any day. Well, so let's dig straight into your life. Enti dia na kan wa ka so be preschool course.
Okay, well, me and Castle Mania preschool course.
Hey.
Me call Accra College of Education.
Oh, okay.
In year 2017.
Oh, okay.
It's a hard year general course. It's a course in United Uber outer. The day do be to piano. You should be ready to feast the it's a honor. Maybe 2017. I've been ready me for my first station. Adesso. Say your first school no. Go feature BA basic from KG to JHS. It's one my first 10 your mommy basic 3. It's na me wo ho I say head na kasa hu ahokeka na we no na yede me call KG. Ti yede me call KG no so no man kasa hu say improvement be mu na nkwala ne sha. Me call ho no na KG for no KG 1 and 2 no mo nyina ye 11.
Okay.
Both KG 1 and 2.
No no so.
But first term, second term, third term, young kwala over 100. KG 1 and 2.
Because of changes.
Because of changes, no. And say, and as that time, so na head no so obwa. The over KD no so obwa. Yeah, na sa district no one so. Mama yakwa workshops. Say yeah, idea about how to care for the preschool children. Nti ma me nya experience ni bebre e free hono nti me free ho na me ba nti me ku na o wa ha o ye ejuma wo Juaso education office
nti odo
na de me ba nti last year e na me ba
okay
nti me ba so na me be tu madam no so afi no so aba fufuro no so the first time no de me ko class 3 sa na me ameka kire ni say me person fa me nko KG and I say then obi one ma the teacher ni board the call KG I say why I say what's it the post so because omo feel say teachers omo work KG like they are shallow minded so omo is that no idea sana perception or tie so na me can so family call KG no say eh I see madam family call me nti am say family call ho and also sometimes so na ye ha na ye KG for no musha no musana enrollment no wo form crying no nti me see okay nyame bo aya ma metime ye me formal school ho no man kala ne ba ye nti me de sa interventions no e be ba ha nso nti together with head no any KG teachers no mo wa ha no nso no omo so bua ye starting ne kakra fe ne nkwala ne ba nti me de me the weekends nyeti America say me the weekends ni ye ya po school Friday a ube hu no na me sisa sa nkukun kakei
yeah ma hu
sa plastic bottles
anyway
na me sisa sa ne ma nti me ko drufia me ho no mo no throughout the weekend ni na me ye adwuma.
Na me second class.
Yes, na me prepare TLM. Me ye TLMs. Na me searching so online. Ha, nti eno sa na ma fa ye curriculum, KG curriculum no. Na me dey here because en say me ye ade bia ye outside the curriculum. Ti na me dey come ho na me dey ye kakra. Vacation dey na me prepare because vacation ya ba me need more time to prepare my TLMs. It's vacation time no na me so me ye. Say e be be school no na me nya bebre. E da be kan dey me ye weekends no ho. For be pasty. It's last vacation is say 6 weeks ni na no me dey ma spend bi.
Okay.
Me dey ni na na ye say me ye wi na me dey aba ama be jiki wo madam ho. Ma be pasty e wa ha. Enye classroom we nko na me ye ni sa KG1. Ye KG1 classroom e ho nso efe e ho nso me siesie ho sa. E na ye crèche ho no mo nso me siesie ho sa. Ah e be ko ho no so nya kwa me siesie ho nyina sa because aha no me fan say KG mu ha no me na me nominal head.
Okay.
Da KG teachers no am. Ti me hwe say KG bibia be ye fe. But na enough for
it's true.
Say oh yeah committed you can't do it.
Yeah.
Because and you lazy so untimi.
All right.
Because a tedious work.
I can imagine.
Starting, writing, pasting, and easy. But me, I me pay. Me all the time person like
you love kids.
I love kids. I don't know what I can see. If I'm qualified, so I'm to say na me need. Say me party me ya. Kwala no team bia no mo ni be come class. Me sana me tie. Me ya wa ade a kwala no nti o free me class e ko different class. Be ya wo di. So oh for different class.
Jobi abaka say madam me sorry.
Eh there be no so there. Yeah class ha no oh we. One kasa ye activity no. Activities bebre wo ha ka ye betimi aye.
Mami misa we. Enti say opon na ukofie as a mother, as a wife. Ukodufia. How do you feel say what me a change, you know, the focus of a class and also of a department in a school? How do you feel?
Hey, I feel good. And no name about I. So, what could do fear? I will not be afraid. I say, madam, why are dear power? Me bano, I feel obefia. Okay, can you ma or tunyo? Okay, can you maybe who can we are no actual? Can we are no actual? Why are dear pa? Yes, Anna. That they cry me, did they cry me that? No, my man.
So apparently, I think some misconception when you pretend say a buying school there, Maybe my say we are making changes.
We are making changes.
Obite, Juaso and important muna home school. I mean, yes, was a private school, probably because yako private schools in the city. I wish you do more. Na yama normally yama for doing kumayani about private life. Our rare fear one kasa kra no one hwan
fashion me akasa your friend me Lydia Koryo Lawer.
All right.
Me proboni.
Oh okay.
So me fit obodumase.
Oh
say when fan say awale ni adwuma na edi me bepie room ha.
All right.
Me pie hase.
That is fine. Then you know Ghana. So amanyame ni asom so ama abai. So future prospects. Do you wish to teach in basic school all your life and as officer do baby our versus near Makakra?
So you see what you obia like so the ladder of life. We all wish to climb it. In Siano means so but me sure mpala ni kakra. Me sure mo kakra nse je me be kan bia no. Me ndi me ho.
Rounding up, let's talk about leadership. You know, yes, say who are Juma Bimna, who say Juma na Koswa. The workers might be there working, but when your leadership are a bit wow, a Juma or mistress or headmistress or Wahano. If is a Mua, ne Subania, the officer a Moabe and Abama, a day or do pepper show.
Okay. That's the pass. Actually, the one be Sapraga,
a young point of view.
Wow. Because my mistress, Madam Grace J.
Yeah.
Madam Lydia. Why are they like me?
What a wow.
What a wow. I am unbelievable. Because Obo Onuma, Ubatuna, o can say yes say yes what can say me na me leader China me can say yes say answer but they make it beer Minya kan o say okay wo hwe na ebeboa me say madam me peska koto group me peska koto manla card o say Lydia ska shede ni ho me say madam wo de wa ebe ma me ono ani botom sika kra ma mi obeyi oyade so de bia me kai vacation anajobi mini sheha na ye paste we no because na ye be be school na no nse wo say ye na classroom na ye fine ye be ye ha na ye KG1 ni crèche ho no mami oya mistress but o kame ho wa ha na ye paste na ye say no so me say madam chiro we na wa ye nse wa boa pa wa boa
all right ye ka ye di ho nkomo na ye di madam ho nkomo na ya nka municipal education officer na ye say nka because omunti na wo ha. How has the municipal education office been supportive to your cause?
They are very supportive.
They are very supportive.
Yes,
as simple as that. They are very supportive. All right. I'm for still I Madam Lydia Lawer na in the classroom. I feel like being a child again. Oh, nanka a lion me so me sister na me so me tina me down me home. It's so nice to see an environment like this, especially your area ha Asante-Akyem na ne Asante-Akyem Juaso. Enti mi twa me ho menche mesa aba na nkomo no ye de de etwato no abro. Tell me. Eji mesa ma wakwa ba bimba Asante-Akyem Watch nkomo so na me ne Madam Lydia Lawer St. Andrews Catholic Basic School I wo Juaso na ye propoma Asante-Akyem anafo. Madam ade ba akwa me pese bibisa me nim say a school for a very stressful so yeah interview ni na also want to say obese obam ya no aka video obese madam wo so enkwala tete very stressful yeah wo baba kumienu ye wo fase for ye who how it is na man for ja o mma nyina ma me ni bro fi ameka how stressful is this?
It's very, very stressful.
I know.
But that's my work.
I know because and I make us say young kwala akra no omoma oni nze nkwala makwa kakrem no mba fi ebusa nkwala say da be na mo baby school da be na mo baby school
awofo no kwa fresh
ade ba kwa meka ne say nyame nshaw say wanya opepa ne say wo be ye amanfo ma say wo de emi say wo ye obi de yi a na wo so wo de yi yanso ye bebo ho da ro na ya pese ewiase nyina behu enti meda wase nso se oba Asante-Akyem Watch
nso meda wase somma ba besra yen wa ha
entina amanfo de da ye koso ya ne Petre ne Madam Lydia Lawer abon komo a emu ohwam na ade wa ko ne se wa ma me kwa do ten kam ya akwala enti menya na nkam ya akwala kete oho na nkam timati so na me ye lion anase madam me didi madam come de me madam me Johnson madam da kwala na time enso manya nyina wie na mom ne fe ne se ye ma ne ofase ne ye nananom a ye ja omo ama teacher for so omo tete omo no sei na Madam Lydia Lawer e de omo fam e ma ne ye fe e ma ne ye de e ma ne ye akono se wo be wo mpo me ko fi amekoye ward pa na jeze ma hwe na we chat na ye fe yes kids come around how are you all?
Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
Okay, what is personal hygiene?
Personal hygiene is the way we keep our body clean.
What is family?
Family is a group of people
Who are related by blood, marriage or
adoption.
clap hands for yourselves. What is environment?
Environment is
Everything around us. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Enti abusian for sabre mi was St. Andrews Basic I was Juaso. Mene Madam Lydia Kasewie no mene ne headmistress betwa nkomo no so. Enti Madam ma kwa baba Asante-Akyem Watch.
Yeta.
yate Juma wudi wabaso body de waji dada fra won kwara nim na e wose me bana me bebisa se e de na ka wakoma e ma wo ye wa adwen se obeboa wo teacherfo amom dwumadi akoso.
Yo, that's it. I will say, teacher ejuma, if you have the passion for it, you do it and do it well. And I mean, who say, obi di na die ebejawa. Na enya di hunu biya kwa we die ode ne di hye abejawo se titino. Nti e wo se oma a teacher for no obo teacher for the church kwan a omo so fa so entity nkwala no. That is one thing na edam akoma so a ma me teachers ni hye ye ka because obi beba be fa ne ba we di bejawo no. That was a transformation it take place. Senia oti a odi frifie ba ye no. Na ebi abeka ho nsisaye abem.
Has it been easy?
It hasn't been easy at all.
What are some of the challenges?
Because over education, that individuality, individual differences, and sometimes environment, and also eka.
Was a theater break.
Environment, and also can. And your man's why would be a human also eka. It's their challenges.
But on
and sometimes so on say who raise akwala.
Okay.
The child, that individual, him or herself, the teacher, and then the parents. Inti bakonye na famu die na other two na anyo mo afamu dia. Edin.
We are theory now the marvel. I'm my be my bibi.
Okay, but my example. My example. Okay, me a teacher me. My already say make chire nkwala die. But me ni TLM. Na maka che parents ni say to book bi textbooks exercise books for ma oba you see oba na by school oni bi but me ebia with the help of my phone inti my research enya bibi to fall on my mama exercise wo body so but akwala ni book a obetrum inti how do I assess akwala no and another example say akwala no so avail ne ho say ye nkyere na de onye serious in class and also be a parent na amano books bibia na so akwala no onye ready into many parents brain ayekwa.
Wow. It's always nice to talk to a teacher. When you teacher nyan kasadia so we ni guha na me buy so many age me first setup na maye na say me can say di mo ho dance here and sakra na me hu a me ba na me ba fie so no many age empire na say wo betina ha che na wasesa enema maye say ye bisa wo sen kakanema miensa pa wo hia wa school yi mo e ma ne ma yin san kosoro mo a ne ma miensa be na ka be come express
Edi kind me fa akwanya we so ada na say afifa.
Okay.
Aya adi
Go school. Makasa catch them say go school.
Okay.
When we go to stay free. But on the share states or share the state of the school now. Now on one the life any example or go school the performance in the idea the uncle. I can tell you what idea or make some idea or more idea. My head didn't go school into or share facilities in any idea. I feel only here no say and allow work Kumasi and Accra. And when we were working a lot to us, so now we said, obey you, consumer, color. You know, now a man, a passing, basic school, you're promoted. I finishing the idea come up. Now, Kalano, so if you feel comfortable, best school, almost a home in a school.
And I've seen it.
Yeah, that's it.
It's not just before because from clean to clean, finish any video and I say,
yeah, single-handed.
then I say, really, Major Asante-Akyem Watch na Madawasi and Tennessee, say, Nipa could be for the actual so Yadawasi, I mean, sure. They was a well named and I will live out, and therefore,
I saw really not only Asante Wi-Fi for 6 months.
I'm going to internet.
And I also fat security or my mere fat security. To make 6 months, the same manner.
Wow.
It's I say.
That's a Yamisha. Madam, I say
Juaso R primary. We appreciate you so much.
Oh.
May God richly bless you.
Oh.
Now, all that you spend on us should be rewarded.
Amen. And yeah, trust me, Madam Lydia. It's in car. Just a bit me, I say, one or not, I know you will be anything. We work out of one will be the same way time to say, I just will come now, Madam B. How would you describe Madam Lydia?
I would describe her like my own self.
Okay.
Because the nature is and as a good teacher also, your classroom is supposed to be pretty rich.
Okay.
In the sense that they like to learn on their own. So some of you cry, you go school, a month break, a colleague of our own cop. When I'm down, not on one age. It's we are teaching in our classroom, they're pretty richer. We did a palada, we did not go. It's Lydia told me. Ọba yẹn no yọ bi na oyo bi ọdọ adwuma ni dia ba frɛ me madam yeye ni se ya wode adwuma kɔda wode adwuma asɔre enti me hu sɛ wode akwaman nyinaa long back akwaman nyinaa Lydia to school she's always working with new ideas creativity yenye se enti Lydia is a very hard working woman.
Wow. As I'm about kind is a Nicola was simple with the Juma Kota.
Yes. They are bringing ideas. As simply America said, Lydia source, madam. I thought as much. The Macra Lydia never friend, madam, I say, Auntie, or your peer, or the Juma. Also, the Kanka said, when you are passionate about a Juma, you do it and do it well. So therefore, so dear, as a we have been but you do it and do it well.
All right, Madam. Last time on the visa. In the next 5 years, so what? And you be now person and what it comes to you.
My dream was say, because you look by a lanka in a boarding house.
Wow.
Yeah.
Boarding house for basic school in Juaso.
Because my aspirations seems really high. And I say because recently we did the referee now.
Okay, the more you are
yes. I think he was driving and we said this is the school I've been telling you. Or the more fancy.
Yes, true. Boarding.
Yes. Intino said Apalano, Obana Oshia, the Enamama Koya. People would like to come. And we're more bad transporting in and out in the ability. The new boarding facility or what they have. If it's a very common.
Now, yeah, Kono, you look at our last words. Then I will catch Asante-Akyem my Ghana, my Yase, my Ubibiafa, St. Andrews, RC Basic School.
That's it. Like I said, St. RC Basic School. And maybe that's a Dino ever form. I say, Nipa, you baby, I want to go with a tagger, and do something different. To see, I'm clear, that's way. To see, I have very vibrant teachers, hardworking teachers, punctuality, regularity. Discipline has been instilled on the children, both teachers, and I may so as a leader, you say a leadership by example. One can say so by no. Men can say we are now going to say chine can say who should be say onye the right thing na what say also be right thing. The punctuality ni ade discipline. Na exercise homework nkwala no be so mo pa agro. Any echi my teachers na load them with homework. Say the be ya we nya kwan bra. Enya na mesre parents no so say nkwala no mother actually also it is a teacher need to na kwala ni buka or the by exercise to the be a school not a big prayer and also made that nana Nana Adum Ase. So about school. Also, a year books and buy. Say the books in the private way you back.
All right.
I bet you.
All right.
Actually, one of Chelsea.
Oh, all right. So now,
yes. And also every books.
but adult and family.
Yes. No matter what you ask me.
Okay. So one of the books will
Also, it's I'm teacher.
All right.
As at now, and your books here, I'm teacher. We create parents in the show. Edwuma deɛ yɛyɛ ate mo nso mo kakra nso bɛboa so wɔn ka mo akoma ato mo yam sɛ your words are in safe hand.
Eti amanfoɔ na deɛ yɛde bɛso yɛ ne sɛ ɛnɛ m'ani agye paa sɛ ɛbaa Juaso St Andrews House bɛyɛ saa ne bɛtwetwe nkɔmmɔ wei na amanfoɔ ɛrekyɛ adeɛ nananom ɛreboa ama yɛsi school dan ebi nso ɛreboa ama exercise books aba deɛ ɛna wɔn nso wɔyɛ aboa yɛ kuro deɛ kyerɛ aban ntumi nyɛ biribiara na aban no koraa no asa ne yɛn ya so nti ɛtɔ da bi a yɛn a sɛ yɛn nso yɛkɔ back to yɛ schools na yɛkɔhwɛ mmoa a yɛbɛtumi ɛde aboa yɛ school ama yɛn nuanom yɛwɔ fa ase mu yɛ mma yɛn nananom a yɛgya wɔn wɔ yɛ kura ase no wɔn nso bɛtumi anya education a ɛkɔ so wɔ wiase na wɔn nso atumi catch up with modern trends sɛ ɛbɛyɛ a yɛn nyinaa yɛbɛtumi ama yɛn ho so na ɛnɛ dwumadie a mebɛdi ɛwɔ Juaso St Andrews RC basic school mene Madam Lydia nkɔmmɔ a yɛbɛtwetwe yɛfa ne classroom management ne adeɛ a wiase nyinaa ɛbɔ ne die no aha ɛna mede bɛsie ebi a meka kyerɛ wo sɛ nom nsuo na hwɛ wo ho yie kora wo ho nyɛ nipa bi a ne dɔ nyɛ wɔn no kɔ bɛni nyinaa no ɛne dɔ saa asɛm to a ɛna wobɛhu adɔfoɔ ne watamfoɔ medin ɛde Yaw Pee Yaw wei ɛyɛ Asante-Akyem Watch mesi ha ɛkyia wo pii mespa